The National Weather Service in Reno has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Washoe County in western Nevada. This includes the city of Pyramid Lake until 7:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:42 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, trained weather spotters reported a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 6 miles west of Virginia Peak, 18 miles northeast of Reno, and moving north at 20 miles per hour. Locations affected include Pyramid Lake, Sutcliffe, and Virginia Peak. Doppler radar has indicated some weak rotation within the storm. While not immediately likely, a tornado may still develop. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room.